Hello, in this video we are going to see how we will install Postgres relation database using Docker. So we need to download Docker image from Docker Hub. So we can see how we will do that. So for Postgres, we have a Docker Hub image. Probably it will be the latest, and we need to copy that one. And here there are some instructions how we will run that. And we can also run for a particular port, but I am not going to mention that. I'm just mentioning how we'll run the basic one. So here I have this one. I am copying this one. It will download the Postgres yeah, image. Then we will use this one, this command, some Postgres Postgres run based on my secret password. So we can see after the downloading that, and after everything we will go to the Docker command line. So they are saying like if we are using this one, we can go to the command line network. We can use the terminal for that particular Docker image. So we are done. So we are going to run right now, and probably we can change our password into something else. Usually the username is Postgres, and we are keeping Postgres as a password also, and everything is Postgres. The database also Postgres. So right now is started. So if you are seeing this one is hub, and the port is for 5432. I'm checking again to make sure my server is running. So here I can use the command line. So if I am going to use the command line here, so some Postgres is my network and Postgres is my user, responding network, some network not found. So we don't need network session, so we can just remove that, and can just remove the network session. Some Postgres, okay. Docker run it, okay. The Docker container is already running, so we don't need to worry about that one. We are just worrying about how we will uh, run Docker terminal run. So there is a Docker command to Docker exec, so we can use that Docker exec command. So Docker exec command for exec command for Postgres. Access okay. I'm not getting the access in Postgres in database container Docker exec. Okay, there are a couple of options here. So what I am going to do is I will copy that exec command. There is one command docker compose, but I am not going for that with the exec command. So here docker exec my app db1 psql Postgres is my user, and we have some changes here. Some Postgres is my db, so I need to change that. Some Postgres, yes, okay. So right now it will run. So it will take some time to run. I guess there is some issues here. Show databases. Create table. Syntax error name. So okay, so what we are going to do is I have DB Weaver. I will try to connect from there so we can make sure our Postgres installation is correct. So DB Weaver. Okay. So what I'm going to do is Postgres. It will. Yeah. You just need to Postgres. That's connection. Download driver and password authentication field for Postgres. So localhost 5432 and we are given Postgres as a password, right? So local client cancel. There is nothing here. Postgres test connection. Okay, so basically there is a couple of issues here. I don't know how we'll solve that. So I will solve that offline. I probably solve that offline. So this is the app, and we are going here. My user is run some Postgres, username Postgres, and password. Which password I am given? Password Postgres. So password is Postgres, but it's not working. Postgres password name some Postgres. Postgres is the database also. So probably connection details, Docker IP address. Okay, so it's saying like password is not correct. That's the error I am getting. But don't know password authentication failed for user Postgres. So probably some security things we need to take care before we are going. Okay, so that's all about installing Postgres here in a Docker environment, but accessing Docker environment we need something more. So probably I will find a solution. I will find a solution offline and share with everyone on my next video. So that's the only way I can do right now because here I am missing some information about that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice